Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting everything ready. Install Metal and Sign in so your clips sync. Next, enable the in-game overlay and assign a hotkey for instant capture. This ensures you can save highlights without alt-tabbing. Once done, pick recording quality. 1080p at 60 FPS is ideal for gameplay, but lower bitrate saves space. Make sure your storage and upload settings are configured so clips don't drop, and test the hotkey in a short session to confirm everything works. You capture by hitting the hotkey to save the buffered seconds around the moment. Adjust the buffer length if you need longer context. Once captured, open Metal's editor to trim start and end points. This removes dead time and tightens the moment. Use manual frame-accurate edits when precision matters, or rely on automatic trimming for quick clips. Add a thumbnail, title, and tags so your clip is discoverable. If you want, stack multiple short clips into one highlight reel at this stage. You finish by exporting the clip either to your drive as an MP4 or uploading it to Metal's cloud so others can view it. Once uploaded, set privacy options and share the link to social platforms or copy a direct download. Make sure to choose the right codec like H.264 for compatibility. If something goes wrong, check overlay permissions, confirm your GPU encoder is enabled, and free up disk space. Those fixes solve most capture failures quickly, so you can keep clipping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.